Aligning designers and developers is easier said than done when everyone works in different tools and follows different workflows. Design lives in Figma, while code lives in Bitbucket. Keeping the two in sync usually means manual checks, constant back and forth, and a lot of wasted time. So what if you could instantly see the real status of every UI component? Design, code, and alignment all in one place. That's exactly what Vexel does. Vexel is an AI-powered app that unifies design and development inside Confluence, keeping UI documentation in sync by comparing design intent with code reality. No new tools to learn, no manual documentation to maintain, just clear, reliable visibility, right where your teams already work. Let's see together how it works. We'll start in Confluence admin configuration, where Vexel appears alongside your other apps. No more manually tracking design versus code. From here, we directly create a new Vexel project. First, choose the Confluence space where your UI documentation will live. Then, add your Figma file, your Bitbucket repository, and your credentials. Once connected, Vexel is ready to work. In the project view, you'll see all your connected projects in one place. Each project shows the linked Confluence space, the current report status, the Figma file, the Bitbucket repository, and the project webhook link. With one click, you can generate a report. Behind the scenes, Vexel scans your design system in Figma, analyzes your codebase in Bitbucket, and uses AI-powered semantic matching to connect components based on structure and intent, even when names don't match exactly. Once the report is ready, click View Report to open it. You'll land on a clear dashboard that gives you an instant snapshot of alignment. At the top, Vexel breaks down your design system. How many components exist in design, how many are implemented in code, and your overall match rate. Below, you'll find the component-by-component list showing each UI element, its match percentage, and direct access to a detailed report when something needs attention. You can also filter between well-matched and mismatched components, or quickly search for a specific component using the search bar. Once you've identified the component you want to review, simply click View Detailed Report. This opens a dedicated Confluence page. Each UI component has its own page. Here, everything you need is in one place. Whether it has been developed or not, design versus code matching rate, a live preview of the original Figma design, an overview of the component's visuals and functionality, property and attribute comparisons, variance and state alignment, styling discrepancies and conflicts, AI-powered recommendations, and finally, implementation notes. Everything is documented, structured, always up to date, and easy to understand for developers, designers, or product managers. Vexel keeps everything in sync as work continues. When code changes in Bitbucket, Vexel automatically checks it against the related UI components in Confluence. If something is no longer matching the design, the regression is flagged right away. Here, we're notified that the latest code update doesn't align with the Figma design. After fixing the issue and updating the code, Vexel rechecks the component and confirms alignment. Once everything is back in sync, the changes can be merged and the updated status appears automatically on the component's Confluence page. You can see the latest code version and access the related pull request directly from the report. Vexel turns Confluence into a living, trusted UI reference, so teams move faster, stay aligned, and collaborate efficiently, all within the Atlassian ecosystem.